stop relying on artificial fixes. Today, I'm going to show you how to brew a potent, all-natural tonic using 5 simple kitchen powerhouses to supercharge your immune system and heal your body from the inside out. We're starting with fresh ginger. Slicing it thin opens up its fibers, ready to release those powerful anti-inflammatory compounds that kickstart digestion and boost immunity. Next, take a red onion and slice it up. Red onions are packed with antioxidants and compounds that naturally support your immune system. Now, crush and chop a few cloves of garlic. Garlic is a natural powerhouse known for its strong antibacterial and antiviral benefits. Slice up a fresh lemon. This adds a bright burst of vitamin C to help cleanse the body and elevate your energy levels. Place all your prepared ingredients into a pan, add a glass of water, and bring it to a gentle boil to infuse all those healing nutrients together. Once fully simmered, carefully strain the warm, golden solution straight into your glass. Stir in a spoonful of organic honey. Not only does it sweeten the taste, but it also provides a soothing coat for your throat. If you enjoyed this remedy, please like, subscribe, and comment below. I'm Mr. Sam, reminding you to heal better naturally.